Alright, this one's for my buddy Robert. We are 3,700 feet above Bradley International Airport in Connecticut. It's a heavy blowing snow. It's nighttime. We're directly above the airport, and we're going to have a major malfunction. We're going to lose all power. I will, however, keep my battery on, since I will still have a battery to power my flaps. So I'm going to keep my battery on. We're going to kill the engine, and we're going to see if we can't bring it into a runway in the blowing snow at night with a failed engine. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Alright, we'll go ahead and cut the engine. Alright, we lost the engine. We lost the avionics now. We're going to shut the battery down after I lower the flap. I'm just going to put one notch in. I'm going to put two notches in. There goes the... And I'm going to shut the battery down now. We're dead. Let's see what we look like. Okay, we got a little flap in there. It's a heavy snow. I'm going to start looking for the airport. And I don't see the airport. Okay, well, we were directly over it, so I'm gonna... Oh, there goes a stall horn. There's a river. There's the runway. There's the runway right there. I'm gonna try to make that runway, Duke. Alright. Well, we got our airspeed indicator at 62 knots, so that's a good glide ratio. We're going to try to bring it around. You can see all the lights down there from the city. And we were falling at about 1,000 feet a minute, but we can change that here. We can pull up on the stick a little bit. I see the runway over there. I'm going to go ahead and make a turn towards it. We're going down quick. Keep that speed up. I don't want to stall it. I'd shut the power down. I'm stuck with whatever flaps I got now. I want some flap because I don't want to come in too hot. There's a runway right over my compass. Oh yeah, we're looking good. That's the wind you hear. There's a jets over there to the right. And we're about 70 knots. Coming in a little fast. I'll bleed off some airspeed here. I'm going to go ahead and put it down. Beautiful. We did it, Duke. And I'll get off the runway here. Alright, Duke, that wasn't so bad.